Cellphone. Cellphone and uh, kahit anong book. Kahit ano. Basta may book.
Yun, cellphone din, and what else do I bring with me always? I always bring earphones para,
Earphones and charger pala.
para I love listening to music, so yeah.
Star Wars. Star Wars and
Yeah, Star Wars and
Hunger Games.
Avengers 2. Avengers 2. My favorite movie is Three Idiots. It's an, I think, indie film. Yeah. You.
Ako, hirap pag mahilig ka mag-movie. Sige na nga, one more chance. One more chance.
Actually, favorite ko rin yan. Favorite.
Uptown
Ah.
Funk. And move on.
What? Ako move on. Favorite song ko. Move on. Yun lang. That's it.
Of all time kasi
Oo.
top 3 sabi.
Top 3 ba?
Kaya Uptown Funk kasi yun yung favorite ko ngayon.
Ako favorite ko. Move on. Move on, move on.
Wala akong masabi.
Galing kay Jane. Ito, siya. Favorite ko. Hangout place daw.
Hangout place.
Siguro ako sa library.
Wow.
To school.
Really? Wow. Good for you. Ako, sa
Lagi ako
bahay.
nag-borrow ng books.
Sa bahay, nagbabasa lang din. Pizza.
Chicken curry.